Hello again, this is Jermaine with Jamrock Mechanical LLC. We are doing a PM on a carrier package unit, and this one have a Honeywell controller that's tied to the main control board, and it controls the economizer. This controller here, they can actually put the unit into test from the controller. So right now it's on status. You can scroll down, set point, system setup, advanced setup, checkout. So when you hit the checkout section, you hit the arrow, you'll see it have the damper section. You scroll down, you open and close damper, and then it have connection to Y1 out. You hit enter, and it asks if you want to run. You hit run. You start compressor, fan, starting to feel the blowers going, and then back button. That's alarms. Check out again. Go back down to Y2. Run. Y2. Nothing happened on Y2. So there's the connection right there for the control board. We have a capacitor right there, dual cap for the both fans. And these are the contactors. One for the blower, two for the compressor. Transformer, a relay, and then that's the defrost board over there on that side. And they have, the logo of the dryers going to it and everything. So I'm gonna troubleshoot this unit to see why Y2 didn't come on. So maybe there's a refrigeration issue, a refrigerant issue. So I'm gonna check it out and see what's going on. But that's basic how you put that controller into test. So as you can see over here, you have sensors and everything. You have an outdoor sensor, mixer sensor. You have inputs, outputs, and then that's the signal.